What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Ty's Fishing Adventure. So today I'm trying out my new setup here. I got my vlogging camera, my Lumix G7. I'm going to be filming that, and then I also got Chesty back. So I'm super excited to finally have my GoPro stuff back on and ready to go for you guys. So I'm going to try to get after it again. I got a couple things here in the car we're going to try to throw around and see if we can get going. So alright guys, so I've switched things over to the chest cam for you guys here today. I'm going to start off by throwing a little bluegill pattern jerkbait based on this water clarity and what I'm seeing so far. I'm not too sure how this is going to pan out, but I thought I just got bumped. Oh, snap. Alright guys, so I've been throwing this thing around here quite a bit lately. This is the Whopper Plopper, the 130. I thought I was throwing the 110. But yeah, this ain't the 110. So I actually finally about 2 weeks ago started having some luck out here throwing a plopper. But only when I like varied my retrieve pretty greatly. Like I can make that cast, but I can't retrieve that way. I had to like hop it twice, kind of pull it through, reel it like normal, switch it up, pull it through, kind of. Don't think I checked that right to make sure it's good. Oh, that is a fish. Got him. I don't even know what kind of fish. Is that a bass? That's... I hope you guys can see that. That is on that bluegill jerkbait, guys. Caught that on this jerkbait, duo realis. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Guys, all right, he's off. Oh, that was crazy. I think that's what bumped it the first time. What was that? Alright guys, that'll be my last cast. I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up, head back to the house. So I'm out here today at Ruffin's Pond real quick. I got out here for a little bit. That's what it is. It's not that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got it now. Alright. Ended up landing a fish on my Savage Gear combo with my 13 Fishing Inception reel. Ended up landing a pretty good sized bass on there, guys. So quick fishing trip here. I broke out the Chesty today. Hopefully you guys enjoy. That's a quick little deal here. Thanks for you guys for watching. I appreciate everyone. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button below, and keep tuning in. I got more videos coming. It's Bass and Furious. I'm out.